welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Netta. In today's video, well, you guys saw the title, guys. I've got some things that I just went shopping for because I quit my job. Yes, I quit my job after 4 years. Over 4 years I had been working at my job, and I don't know, it was just time for a change. It was like, I don't know how to explain it. It was just time for a change. Like, everything that's going on with COVID-19, with me being a single mom, you guys, and having to work from home, and then also having the kids at home doing online school. Like, the job just was not feasible for me anymore. And I had been unhappy at my job for quite some time. So my last day at work was Tuesday because I'm actually filming this on a Friday because I have time now to film more often. So yes, I am filming this on a Friday, and then I'm gonna post it for the Saturday video. That's the reason why I hadn't posted a video for Thursday, because I got a new job. But that job doesn't start for another like 2 weeks. But yes, I got a new job where I own the business. So I officially have, like, what do you say? I got Divine Beauty. I own my own insurance agency now. Divine Beauty insurance. I guess you can count YouTube as a business. And then of course my Poshmark. So I officially am running like 4 different businesses right now. But officially, I own my own insurance agency, and because I took over and purchased an agency from another agent, so it is mine, you guys. Like, your girl, I have so many things to tell you about, but for this video, we're just celebrating because I quit my job after 4 years that I was totally unhappy at. I was working in the call center. It's the worst thing ever. Dealing with ungrateful, abusive customers every day, all day, or representatives who be having their attitudes because they're dealing with ungrateful, abusive customers all day, every day. So yeah, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you everything I purchased. I pretty much just went and bought like a lot of my fall favorites that I didn't have or haven't had in a long time to celebrate myself, because I'm so proud of myself, you guys. I passed my P&C license exam. I passed that last week. When did I pass it? It was last Thursday. So not this Thursday, but Thursday before, I passed my property and casualty license exam. So now I am licensed not only for personal lines, which is to sell auto insurance, but I'm also licensed to sell property and casualty insurance, which is exactly what it sounds like: property, such as homeowners, renters, and then business insurance and business buildings and structures. So getting that license, I told you guys, like, invest in yourself, get licenses, get certificates, get credentials, go back to school, finish your degree, get that degree, like whatever you have to do it so that you can come up, and increase your finances and all that whatnot. But yeah, that's what I did, and so I passed the license, and that's what opened the door for me to own my own insurance agent business. So I'm so happy, and I treated myself to some of my fall favorites, and so I'm just gonna share everything I bought. So let's see. I guess I'll start with Bath and Body Works. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and stopping by my channel. Do me a favor and don't forget to subscribe. And then after you have subscribed, don't forget to hit that bell so that way you can get the notifications every time I upload a video. But yes, I love Bath and Body Works, you guys. So I picked up a few items from there, and they're having a sale right now, which I'll talk about in a little bit. But I bought this candle from Bath and Body Works, and this is the autumn scented candle. So it's the autumn scented one. You probably can't even see that, but as you can see, like, I have been burning this baby because it smells so good. Like, I love fall. Like, I don't know if you guys see my last video, but fall is my favorite time of the year. I just absolutely love fall. So I picked up this candle in the scent Autumn from Bath and Body Works, and I have been burning it, you guys. This candle smells so good, and I do plan on picking up some more items. Ulta has some candles that I want to go to the store and pick up a few of those. I love candles. Like, candles are my favorite. It makes the house smell so pleasant and just warm, and it creates such a cozy ambient environment. So yeah, I love like candles. They help, to maintain my positive energy, my peace of mind, you guys. So I have pillar candles. I always get candles from Bath and Body Works. And I talked about this before here, but I like the woodwick candles. Love those, especially for when I'm taking my bubble baths, because the fire crackling sound, it makes my bath so nice. And Bath and Body Works, and of course, also the candles from Better Homes and Gardens. Jackie Ina, if you don't know her, she is another YouTuber, beauty influencer here on YouTube. She launched a brand called Forever Mood, and it's a self-care brand that includes candles. So I'm gonna pick up some candles for her too eventually, but for now I got this candle from Bath and Body Works, and then I'm gonna go get, I only got the one because I knew I wanted to go to Ulta and pick up like 2 or 3 of theirs. So yes, I got myself some candles. Okay, next up from Bath and Body Works are fragrances. So fragrances, you guys. So they have a buy 2 get 1 free sale going on at Bath and Body Works right now. So I picked up this one. This is called Champagne Toast. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. So when it comes to perfumes, I don't think I really shared a lot about my perfumes and what perfumes I like here on my channel, but I do prefer floral scents versus like fruity scents as far as like perfumes go. But there are some fruity fragrances that I do like. I'm not like totally against fruity fragrances, but I do prefer florals, okay? But so this one, Champagne Toast, this is like a sweeter scent. So it's bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. And I love wearing this after a bath. I like to spray this after a bath. It just smells so good. Oop, I ain't even getting nothing on my hand. Yes, honey, yes. Oh, this smells so nice. So this is the one I spray when I've had a hot bubble bath, and I have it in the bathroom with me, and I just spray it all over as soon as I get out the bath, and it just makes me feel like, I don't know, it just makes me feel like a sexy, beautiful, relaxed goddess, okay? So Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast. The other one I got is this one here from Bath and Body Works, and this one is Japanese cherry blossom. I really like this one. I will say though, it does have like a more mature smell. It does smell like more mature. Not to me that I'm not mature, because I'm mature, okay? She mature. But I like this one like if I'm going into the office, like for business meetings, or like I am putting on a presentation in the office, discussing business, handling business. Like, I like this scent for that, and I like it. It smells really good. And oh god, these fragrances are so good. Yeah, that one smells really nice, but I will admit it does have a more mature smell, but I love it. I like it, so I got this one too. And yeah, so I picked this one up, and they changed the design. This didn't used to come packaged like this a long time ago. I don't know if you guys has purchased this in the past, but it wasn't like this a while ago. Like, before, it was in a different packaging. But this is how it looks now, and it still smells great, and I still love it, and I'm so happy to have it back in my collection. Like, yay. Okay, and then the other one I got, which is my favorite one. This is my favorite scent from Bath and Body Works for fall. Like, this one is in the fragrance Dahlia. And oh, wait a minute, I didn't read the scent details. So it doesn't have scent details. Like this one on the back, it has your fragrance notes. This one doesn't have fragrance notes. So I mean, I guess it's just Japanese cherry blossom. But yes, my favorite one that I have been wearing every day, and I'm wearing it now. I sprayed it all over my body today because I did have to run out of the house and go on base, today to take care of some business. But this is Dahlia, and this is like the perfect fragrance for fall. Okay, it smells so good. This one has fragrance notes, so I think their newer ones are the ones that have the fragrant notes, and then the OGs don't, I guess. But fragrant notes, velvet dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, and whipped tonka bean. It says, as summer eases into fall, wild dahlias paint the landscape in their soft pinks, deep crimson, and luxe golds. Inspired by this beautiful sight, Dahlia by Bath and Body Works is a uniquely luminous and cozy fragrance that embodies bold femininity, and it is so nice. Like, I love it. I've been spraying it every day, like literally every day. I love it. It smells so good. It just smells so good. Like, it's just the perfect fall scent. It just smells so good. Yes, it makes me happy. So that's everything I got from Bath and Body Works. And moving on, I got some sweaters for fall because my new job now, I go to the office. But I have options, like I can go to the office, I can work from home. Just depends on what's my mood or what's happening. But I picked up some sweaters from Aeropostale. So I got this one in green for fall. I think it's like a beautiful fall green, and I love the color. And I got two other ones. I got the Aeropostale's having a sale too. So these, and I still have the tags on them because I wanted to show you guys. But these, for example, they retail for, can you see? Can you see that? It retails for $44.95. You guys, I got it for $17. So I was like, give me three, okay? Give me three. So I got this one. This is a blush pink. And I got it in a small, and of course I need smalls for everything because I'm tiny. But yeah, I got this one in blush pink. And then I also got, I think this is perfect colors for fall, like those earth tone colors. And then I also got this one, which is this beautiful brown shade. I feel like maybe I should have wore this one, but this is what it looks like. And this was in a small too. And I think it's just so perfect for fall, you know? Like, these are perfect colors for fall. So, yes, guys, Aeropostale's having a sale. You can get these sweaters and some hoodies and stuff for just $17. You can't beat that. So, these are some cozy sweaters that I got for fall because I love sweaters and, like, loungewear outfits and everything for fall. And they look nice, still professional to go into the office with, depending on how you dress them up, or you can stay home. But yeah, I got these too. Okay, and then I also got a bottle of wine. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, like, I had got two bottles of wine. I got a bottle of that Roscato semi-red. No, the bottle of the Roscato semi-sweet red, that bottle's gone. I drank it. I've been celebrating my new career, my new job, and kissing that old job goodbye. So that one was gone in 2 days, honey. But I got the Roscato semi-sweet red. And I also got this one from Coastal Ridge, and it's a Merlot. And I know, like, I love wine, you guys. Now, I have a liquor store like literally up the street, like a mile away from my house, so I can just go there, stop by, get all the wines. And I love vodka and tequila, okay? So I can just literally walk there and just because I like to get out and take a walk, a nice long walk, every day for exercise so I can stay fit. But Andrea Renee, I saw on her channel that she actually orders her wines online through this website called Winc, and I'll leave it down in the description box, and I'll also leave her channel down there if you don't know who she is. I love her. She's a sweetheart, but I get mine from the liquor store around up the street, a mile away from my house, but I do plan on trying Winc because I saw her talk about it, and I was like, ooh, have the wine delivered. Like, I have everything delivered. I have my groceries delivered to the house from Walmart. Like, guys, I literally don't leave the house since COVID happened. But yes, guys, I got me some wine to celebrate, and I love wine for fall. Like, for fall, I love wine. I love lattes, which I will talk about. It's just coffee and wine, hot chocolate, and things like that. Like, that's what makes me happy for fall. And I normally keep at least 4 to 6 bottles of wine in the house to last me the month. So I do go on wine hauls, and I just did that to celebrate. Got me some wine. Okay. And then speaking of lattes, I picked up this. This is from Javalia. This is a mocha latte Keurig situation thingy. So you get a packet of latte froth, and then you also get your K-Pod here, and I just love this. This is my favorite brand, Javalia Coffee. Their latte, their mocha latte, and then I also like white chocolate peppermint from Starbucks, and I also love pumpkin spice, y'all. I love pumpkin spice. It's so good. And if you can mix pumpkin spice with white chocolate or almond brevet, like, girl. So yeah, I picked this up because this is a fall favorite of mine too, having mocha lattes or just lattes in general. But my favorite is a mocha latte, pumpkin spice, and the white chocolate latte. So that's everything, guys. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do you have any of these favorites for fall going on? I mean, I just am so proud of myself, and I'm so happy in my career decision to get another license and to quit my job that was bringing me down emotionally and just pretty much making me depressed, and I wasn't happy. And I decided that with everything that's going on this year with COVID-19, I'm not going to be unhappy anymore. I'm going to be happy, and I'm going to make choices and do the things that make me happy, because life is just too short. It's just too short. So yeah, guys, I would love to hear about your fall favorites, and you know, if you have any of these scents from Bath and Body Works, if you're a wine drinker, candle lover, like, just what are some of your fall favorites? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.